Redmi K70e feature a 6.67 inches OLED eye protection screen display with 1.5K resolution, 2712x1220 pixel, 120 Hz refresh rate. The display sports a peak brightness of 1800 super dynamic HDR with 10x brightness enhancement, 2160 as instant touch simple rate, and 10 level dimming. The Redmi K70e comes with exceptional color accuracy and eye protection capability, achieving impressive metrics with delta E of approximately 0.43 and a GNCN of around 0.31. It incorporates hardware level blue light reduction score 1920 high frequency PWM dimming. So the device is powered by a domestic 8300 Ultra chips made using TSMC 4nm process and up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. With this new chip, the device features a lot of AI-related feature in terms of storage. The K70e features up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone runs on HyperOS based Android 14. The device features a 5000mm stainless steel VC Viper chamber and utilizes high-power graphite material with the impressive thermal conductivity of 1500W, establishing a high-efficient heat dissipation system. This phone boasts a triple camera system on the rear acquisition of 64MP OV64B main camera with optical image stabilization, 8MP ultra-wide camera, and 2MP micro camera. On the front, it is equipped with 60MP camera dedicated to capturing selfie. The device has 5500mAh battery capable with rapid 90W fast charging. Its features Xiaomi C-style algorithm, preserving over 90% battery capacity after 1000 circle. Despite its powerful feature, the device maintains a sleek profile, measuring only 8.05mm in thickness and weight in only 198 grams. Additionally, it includes axial linear motor, stereo dual speaker, full feature NFC capability, and infrared remote control. Redmi K70 comes in 3 color options: ink feather, clear snow, and a shadow green. The K70e offers a 12GB plus 2 5G variant for 1999 yuan. Xiaomi has not confirmed it yet, but this model should be rebranded as a Poco X6 Pro for the global markets.